Now I will continue with another problem where we will take multipliers. Solve y minus z into p plus z minus x into q is equal to x minus y. So it looks like capital P into small p, this is capital P, plus capital Q into small q equal to r, where capital P is y minus z, capital Q is z minus x, and capital R is x minus y. So I will write the auxiliary equations. Dx by y minus z equal to dy by z minus x is equal to dz by x minus y. Now it is very important to observe, I should use multipliers in such a way that the denominator will be 0. When you add the denominator terms, it's a property of ratio proportion. Each ratio will be equal to dx plus dy plus dz by additions of denominator. So I should multiply terms to each ratio in the denominator. That means y minus z, I should multiply a number, z minus x, I should multiply a number, x minus y, I should multiply a number. The same number has to be multiplied in the numerator and add it. So I should choose in such a way that denominator will be 0. Like that, how many cases? So using the multipliers, one, 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 each ratio is equal to. So if I use 1, 1, 1, 1y, 1z, 1z, 1x, 1x, 1y. So if you add plus y minus y, everything, so my final goal is denominator should be 0. That same one I will add. So it will become dx plus dy plus dz divided by y minus z plus z minus x plus x minus y, which will be equal to dx plus dy plus dz divided by 0. So each ratio 1 dx, 1 dy, 1 dz, 1 into, that is the multipliers, 1 into this term plus 1 into this term plus 1 into this term added. So this implies, if this is cross multiplied, dx plus dy plus dz equal to 0. If you integrate, integral dx, integral dy, integral dz equal to 0, which gives you x plus y plus z is equal to some constant. Similarly, I will use another multiplier so that it will become 0. So if I multiply xyz to these terms in the denominator, if I multiply x, y, z, each term, xy minus xz, zx minus zy minus xy, xz minus yz, so everything. So you have to choose multipliers in such a way that denominator will be added and it will become 0. The one case is 1, 1, 1, another case is xyz. So using xyz as multipliers, we get the numerator becomes x dx plus y dy plus z dz divided by, you see here, denominator, if I multiply x to this first term, y to this second term and z to this last term, what do we get? xy minus xz plus yz minus xy plus xz minus yz, which gives you x dx plus y dy plus z dz divided by 0, which gives you x dx plus y dy plus z dz equal to 0, which gives you x square plus y square plus z square whole by 2 equal to some c2, or I can write x square plus y square plus z square equal to k2 because 2 is multiplied. So finally I can write the solution as phi of x comma y comma z comma x square plus y square plus z square as 0.